Morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So not much I can say here. This is still so confusing to trade. I think if you're a 1 minute trader, you're probably making a ton of money at the moment, but that's not what I am. Anyway, so last month we were pretty much sideways. We had a bit of a head and shoulders there. It looked like a bit of a top, and then look at the volatility this month. One day massive down, next day big up, and then look at yesterday's move. So firstly, we started off the morning, and this is the morning session, and we raced down to about 1.36%, 200 pips, basically coming down to test this bit of structure here. So, and we didn't quite get there. Well, we did. We just got onto it. So that is the previous level. So that was the previous resistance, which we then broke here. We've never really retested it, but we've retested it now. So you can take that as a retest. But I still, even looking at this structure, looking like that, I'm not interested in putting money in here just yet. For me, the most logical next thing is another big red day. So this comes to the 3 hour here. And you can see it does look like a bit of a double bottom off structure here. As far as I'm concerned, we're still inside this range. And every time we break to the upside, we tend to break to the downside for some reason. So I think what you can pretty much do, and this one, I want to move this one down to there. So I'm looking for that is my previous high at the moment. Okay, and also look at the moving averages. We're in and out the moving averages, oscillators pointing up, nothing really serious there, but you'll probably find on the hour, yeah, they grip to the upside, because that was a pretty big move up. So nice classical entry here, pin bar off a daily level, there it is, 74 points risk for 359 points gain. So yeah, that was a fairly decent setup at the moment. But anyway, my rules are my rules. I don't trade when we're sideways. So that's what kept me out of this. At the moment, look at the hour. We're back above the moving averages, but we're going to need to see some structure. So at the moment, this is the previous resistance. Okay, there's nothing. This resistance is further down. You can put it in. Put it in there. So that's the previous resistance. That would be the nearest resistance after that. These in between may actually hold up price, but that is the structure we have at the moment. And let's just get rid of some of these just to tidy up the chart. Okay, and then to the upside here, that is the previous support, which was broken and has not been tested. So that would be a target, and this would be an entry point, 15,232. So if you got the time, 15-minute charts, pretty much the order of the day, I think. Wait for it to come on structure, and then look for a move back to 15,355. So yeah, at the moment, I'm kind of staying out of this. I think I'll stay out of this for the rest of the week. I'm not really interested in this right now. The US markets, definitely, if I see some pullbacks on structure, there's opportunities to buy there. But for me, the DAX is just too sideways. There's no real direction at the moment. May brew, may build up, but I want a little bit more confirmation than this. It's just going to stress me out. So anyway, still sit on hands for this. I do see diversions as well. So you can see there's the swing low, there's the swing low which is higher, and then price is lower. So there is diversions, pretty solid break. So this whole structure here, I don't even know what to call it. It's just, let's just call it a consolidation area. Probably is some fancy name for it, but it's kind of a cup and handle type thing. But look for head and shoulders, but have a look at where it goes to. Pretty much the target we've been looking for quite some time, which is 15,626. Okay, anyway guys, that's me for the DAX. I'm sitting on my hands, but if you are a DAX trader, there is some merit to watch these levels fairly closely and get down to 15 minutes for it. I think try not to get too tied up into oscillators and moving averages at the moment, because they're not adding much value to the picture right now. Just look for your support and resistance, and keep your stops below the nearest swing lows if you are long, and if you're looking at shorts, keep your stops near the highest swing high. But I've got a sneaky suspicion this is going to move to the upside. I think we are in an upward trend, so that's just kind of what my feeling is. But anyway, I will pick it up on Monday. Hope it helps someone, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.